Welcome to the daily view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is the Nifty chart. Uh, Yesterday's hanging man could not be followed by a bearish candlestick pattern. So hanging man is now failed. So this hanging man stands invalid. Now yesterday's high was 286, 18,286. Day before yesterday was 272. So this 18,300. As soon as it crosses, and you can expect the next rally till 18600, which is the previous high. So there are still no signs of Nifty topping out, so don't go short. As you can see, Nifty during the day on Friday, Nifty bounced back from this lower end of the rising parallel channel, and it exactly made the low at this lower trend line of this rising parallel channel, and then again went up. So this stands a very this will act as a significant support. So 18,100 is likely to act significant support if this 18,119 give or hit plus minus 10 points. So if this gets broken, you can expect straight fall to 17,950 to 18,000. So another 150 point fall can come. So 18,120 should be your reference level for going short. On the upside, as soon as 18,300 crosses, you can expect this rally to resume to here, which is 18,600, and this rally uh, can take Nifty to newer highs. On open interest front, if you see Nifty open interest, you can very well see bulls and bears are fighting at 18,200. Almost the bars are equal, with the put writers having an edge. So put writers are basically bulls. So bulls having a slight edge here. If this put writing continues and the PCR means put call ratio. So if this red bar crosses the height of red bar is more than twice of green bar, then you can very well expect that 18,000 will act as a significant support. So this is to be seen tomorrow. And on the call writing front, there is no significant bar in calls except at 19,000. So these all resistance are not that great. On the downside, 18,000 is significant resistance. So plus minus 50 points you can uh, take. So 17,950 to 18,000 is a significant support right now according to open interest analysis. Now coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as you can see, is away from all-time highs and is facing resistance at the 61.8 retracement level of the entire fall from 41,800 to 34,000. So this is acting as resistance right now. But going by the price action, it seems that Bank Nifty will consolidate here. HDFC Bank results were announced, by the way, on Saturday, so they were good on the face of it. So it seems that some more consolidation here, and then Bank Nifty takes it from here to new highs. Right now, there is no sign of shorting. This was a bearish candlestick pattern, but there was no major follow up the very next day. So, and with Nifty uh, showing some strength, we don't expect Bank Nifty to move totally opposite. So it cannot go down. At least it will consolidate here. So you will not expect that Bank Nifty going down and Nifty going up. So some consolidation is needed between 38,000, 39,000, so that after that a flag pennant is formed, and then you can resume the rally upwards. So you can expect time-wise consolidation. And Bank Nifty, if you look at, yes, so open interest at 38,000. Look at the red bar, significant put writing at 38,000. So this will not break easily until unless there is some bad news which might come from global markets. Otherwise, 38,000 is unlikely to break. On upside, 39,000 is significant resistance. So this will act as range for 2 3 days. 38,000 on the downside, 39,000 on the upside, and if more banking results come out to be good, then you can expect Bank Nifty also after consolidating here rallying till. So this is possible. This move is possible after consolidating here. So you can very well expect that. So thank you for your feedback. I asked I think in my Wednesday's video, I asked for some feedback. So many people have given their feedback. So according to your feedback, I'll discuss some sector if something is looking good. So Nifty Metal has already been discussed. We are bullish on that, and we expect 6,500 levels in coming weeks on Nifty Metal. So you can pick your stock. Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel are looking good. And these are steel stocks. And if you go to non-steel, then Hindalco, Nalco is looking good. So metal sector is looking good right now, and the risk reward ratio is very good. So risk is this only 5650, and you can expect 64 6500 in coming days. Once two stocks also I can discuss. So there is a standard disclaimer here that we have recommended to our clients. So do consult your own financial advisor before buying these stocks. So let me discuss one or two stocks with you all, and which are looking good on charts. First one is Adani Ports. So this is not Adani Ports. This is Adani Ports, and this one is looking good on weekly as well as daily charts. So uh, above 795 800 if you look at the open interest as well. I think the highest open interest is at 800. Yeah, so highest open interest is at 800. So if 795 800 is crossed, so this high is 794.95, this high is 795. So if 795 800 is crossed, then you can expect a rally, 100-point rally coming in on Adani Ports. The stop loss will be around 760, and consult your financial advisor. This is not a recommendation, this is an observation only. So consult your financial advisor, and you can take an informed decision. And one more stock that is looking good is Granules. So significant open interest has also been built up in yesterday, and I think in last 5 days, and delivery has also been picked up with volume also picking up. So this was a breakout that was seen on Friday. After crossing 350 355 zone, the stock has given a good breakout. The stop loss is around 340, and we are expecting around 380 levels. Again, this is not a recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor. So 380 is possible initially. 380 is possible. Then you will find some resistance here due to the trend line resistance coming at 380. After that, we might see if that is also crossed. Then you can expect 440, 450 levels. But initially 380 is possible. So these two stocks are looking good to us. So we'll be discussing some stocks also in upcoming videos on some sectors which are looking good. So we'll be discussing that. So we are changing this duration of the video from 5 to 10 minutes so that we can discuss more things also. So thank you so much. That's it for today.